Is it recording?
Yeah, it's recording. All right, so Joey, you okay?
Yeah.
So Joey, what's the difference between bracket notation and dot notation?
Okay, so when we're using objects, we can use dot or bracket notation to access the values. If you know the specific keyword, you can use dot notation and do like object dot whatever the keyword is to access the value. If you don't know the keyword or you're in a loop or something and you're using a parameter, you can use bracket notation to access the value.
Yeah.
So Corbin, what is the advantage of having an object delegate method lookup to its prototype instead of having that object created with methods as properties?
When you delegate it to the actual method as a property, it becomes like it can be accessed by things unintentionally, such as a for in loop, and
I don't even know.
that's mostly it. It's in the prototype. It's definitely safe because it can stay in the prototype and still be accessed using standard method calling, but still not be affected by things like a for in loop and just unintentionally mess up your code.
See that first time you see
Nice.
the camera, it's like,
Can you explain how Json Stringify is different from the toString method?
Okay, well, to start off, toString method is just a method that we can use to take any value and turn it into a string. So you can turn a number into a string or an array into a string, whatever, just takes something and turns it into a string. Whereas JSON.Stringify takes a JavaScript object, which isn't always accessible through normal methods, and turns it into an object that we can access. So when you're taking data and sending it to the server, it has to be in a string. So we use JSON.Stringify to put it into a readable object that we can access with bracket and dot notation and whatnot.
Awesome.
Woot. Woot woot.